Good morning, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our brand new Chrysler Voyager. This is a rear entry manual ramp and door. Very easy to operate, very low cost to maintain. I can operate this entire brand new conversion using only 2 fingers. It's got these 2 clamps here. I like this design. It keeps these ramps from rattling. If you know much about mobility vans, you've been at the rear entries, they have some that turn here, they have some that slide. Those are going to rattle, they're going to drive you crazy. And as you can see, it's got a handle on the driver's side, a handle on the passenger side. These are hydraulic assisted, very easy to operate. Look here, I can take this to ground using only my index finger. I tell our customers, if you can lift half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate one of these ramps with ease. The ramp is 34 inches wide, which is 4 inches wider than the side entries. That's one reason I love these rear entries. It does taper down to 32 inches here at the base, but you know, armrest can be about as wide as you want. It's got the 8 tie down points with a slip resistant flooring. You can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here, or a gurney or a stretcher. And these are much deeper than both the Caravan and the Sienna. So if you're if someone's going to haul 2 vans, whether it be for a family or for company, for a business, they're a great option because they allow so much more room. This already has the jump seats installed. We generally charge $1,500 for these jump seats. They're 25 and a half, 26 inches of room between them. And this is a brand new van, of course. Got the rear air controls. You can see all the plastic all over this thing still. It's all brand new. Steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. Backup camera, dual climate control. You can also adjust the rear air from up there. All these plugs and auxiliary ports for all your electronics and all your needs. So overall, just a super clean van, super nice van. I love these Voyagers. And when it's time, we give a free set of pull-tight tie-downs away with Q-strength tie-downs away with each van. Look at that, 1 finger. Take it back up. You know, and the electric ramps and doors are nice. But when they break, oh boy, they are costly to maintain. So if you can get by with doing one of these, have a little bit more room. You know, when you're in a parking space, no one's ever going to block you. No one's ever going to park next to you and block you in. That's a great advantage to these rear entries. You know, although these are technically a minivan, these things are sharp. Tinted rear windows. They look almost like a crossover SUV to me. I really like the look of these. These come with a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty from Chrysler Dodge, a 5-year, 60,000-mile warranty on the powertrain. Then the conversion comes with a 3-year, unlimited mile warranty on the conversion. Now, there's a lot of conversion companies out there, and all these conversion companies, you know, like the Bronze, the VMIs, Freedom Motors, they're going to tell you, we have a superior conversion. Ours is the best. I want you to ask them their warranty. Last I've checked, their warranty is 3 years, 36,000 miles. Ours is 3 years, unlimited miles. So if their warranty is put together so much better than ours, why does theirs stop at 36,000 miles and why does ours go limited? I'd ask you to use a little bit of common sense there. And these things are all pretty similar. They're pretty simple. There's not a whole lot to them. So if one company says theirs is so much better than the others, I'd question where they're coming from and what their motive is on that. But ours has the best warranty in the industry, so that should tell you a little bit right there. Also comes with the owner's manual in there. Got 2 sets of keys for the keyless entry. And you get the push button start, so these keys can be in your purse, your pocket, and you fire it right up. Like I mentioned, the backup camera. As far as the radio, the touchscreen. It's got all kinds of apps you can do. You can sync your phone to it. Rear air, like I mentioned, dual climate control. So let me pop the hood here so you can look underneath. Underneath the hood, these have a 3.6 V6 engine. Plenty of power. Very clean. So as you shop around, as you're looking for mobility vans, keep in mind we have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. Last I checked on our Google reviews, we had 4.8 out of 5 stars. On eBay, we have over 700 transactions. We have over 700 positive responses, reviews. No one's ever left us a negative review. Folks, when someone said 700 times, 700 people said we did them right, 0 people said we did them wrong, I'd say that's a pretty good track record. Not all dealers are the same. There's a lot of shady people out there doing shady business practices. People get suckered on the internet every day. They get burned. Don't be one of them. Do business with a reputable dealer like Affordable Mobility Solutions. And we do have financing available. We can take an application over the phone. We can send a link to your phone so you can fill one out there. We can even send one to your email. Just let us know how we can help. And of course, if you have your own financing, if you want to bring cash, that's great. We take that as well. We take trade-ins also. And if you want to see our entire inventory, check us out, www.mobility316.com, mobility316.com. All of our vehicles on the second picture is an auto check report showing a clean title. We do detailed videos like this. We want you to know exactly what you're getting. We don't want any surprises for you. And we do offer free shipping in the lower 48 states. So a lot of these dealers have a real nice price online, but then they have all these fees they don't tell you about. Administrative fees, document fees, tag fees, freight fees. My question to you, if someone's going to hide fees from you, if they're not going to tell you the actual price of the vehicle, what else are they hiding from you? We're very transparent on how we do business. We have no hidden fees. We have free shipping to your door. So when it comes down to it, nobody, and I mean nobody, can compete with affordable mobility solutions when it comes to price, quality, and reputation. So if you'd like to give the competition a call, you want to talk to a car salesman, go ahead and do so. If you'd like to talk to the owner, give me a call, 316-262-8267. That's 316-262-VANS, as in mobility vans. If you're more of a text messenger, give me a text, 316-518-4377. That's my cell phone. You've got the owner's cell phone number. Try one of those big companies. Say, hey, I want the owner's cell phone number. If I've ever got a problem, I can reach out and get a hold of the owner. Yeah, good luck with that. Let me know how that goes for you. So folks, as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call me today.